Hey guys, I wanted to show you a couple of new sets that I've just listed, and they go with the Come Follow Me. And the first one is one that some of you have been waiting for. It's the booster set. So the booster set will go with any set that you have previously purchased that's a complete set, and then inside are the pieces that go specifically with that year's manual. And I've figured out a way to make it work really smooth so that you're not having to work with two different sets the entire year. And so what I've done is on the stickers, it's highlighted if it's a piece that goes with this year's, and then it's just in black if it's a piece that you're going to pull from a previous year's set. And then you can put them all in the same case and work with it for the entire year without having to go back and forth. And then at the end of the year you can re-separate them and put the pieces back in the original set that they came out of. And I think that that's going to work a lot better and save you a lot of time instead of having to, like I said, go back and forth and pull pieces from two different sets and replace them to two different sets. So I think that's going to be a real good bonus for this year with this booster set, and I will update the past years when I get to that point. But so that is this year's booster set. It has all of the specific pieces that go with the Doctrine and Covenants, and so it will have things like a cabin, camp, Carthage jail, and just some real specific pieces for this year's manual. Then the other thing that I've come up with, now that we've done 3 years, I could kind of see a pattern of what are going to be the most common pieces through the manuals. And so I've come up with a base set or a starter set for Come Follow Me. So for those of you who just want to try it out but you don't want to invest in the complete set yet, this one will have the pieces that are used across all of the manuals. And so that sticker that I showed you that has the pieces that are highlighted for the booster set, the pieces that are included in this one are the ones that are in black. And they have their own sticker, and so it tells what's in each box. And if you want to just use this set by itself, it gives you some individual pieces that will be used throughout each lesson, but it also gives you an opportunity to try it out and then add the booster sets each year without having to buy a complete set altogether. So you can buy the starter set this year, and then maybe a little later on buy the booster set, and then buy a booster set again next year, and that will give you your complete set each year with the starter set and then adding the booster kit. So I'll show you a couple pieces from this set. So these are ones that are going to be used in a lot of lessons, like baptism, Jesus blessing the children. Let's see, it talks a lot in every year. They've talked about the bridegroom and the bride, and I'm sure they will talk about it again next year in the Old Testament. But it just gives you some of those basic pieces. And so, like I said, if you want to try it out, or you just want to have some pieces that are going to be used throughout all of the manuals, that's a really good place to start, and will save you a lot of money. And then if you find that it works really well for you, then you'll be able to add the booster sets to make it more specific to that year's manual. Anyway, I hope that you guys will be as excited about these 2 new sets as I am, and I will post the links below in the comments, and I would love it if you would share. Thanks so much. Aaliyah Goff signing off. Get hope, get Christ, get anchored.